Hi, welcome to another Affinity Photo tutorial. In this one, I will show you how to get flawless skin in just seconds using frequency separation and the painting brush tool in Affinity Photo. So first, let's just duplicate our layer. Now let's go to filters, frequency separation, and in here adjust the radius higher for soft skin and lower for more details. In this case, I'm gonna use 5.7 and just click apply. Now let's zoom in into the image and select the inpainting brush tool and work on the high frequency layer. Just click over it and you will see Affinity do its magic. Now, if you still see some uneven tones, let's just switch to the low frequency layer and let's use the inpainting brush tool to color areas without affecting the previous texture. And that's it. That's basically how you get perfect skin in just seconds. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.